Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the personal hotspot connectivity issue on iPhone after or before iOS update. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to make sure that we are using the stable iOS version. We are not going to use the beta version. If we have a beta version, then remove the beta version from your iPhone. For that, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap VPN and device management. Now check the list and remove the beta version. Then back to general and tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. And also tap on background app refresh and tap on background app refresh again and turn off background app refresh. Now go back to general again and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Here we are going to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. And what we have to do, force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.